What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in your Firefox browser. And you can do this on any website you so desire. Now as you can see, I have Firefox browser open right here and I'm currently at google.com, right? So in order to take a screenshot, all you have to do is just simply right click on the website anywhere and you will have the option to take a screenshot. Now once you click on take a screenshot guys, you have the option here in the uppermost right hand side to save full page or to simply save visibility. They basically do the same thing, right? So what you will do guys, if you want to take like a specific area, you can see where it's telling you that you can drag to the selected area in order to take the screenshot. So let's say I just want to take just around this area where you have the Google logo and the search option, right? So all I have to do is just simple left click and drag it over. You want to left click and hold and drag it over the area that you want, and you can do it, you can position it to how much you want. Now once you let go, you'll have the option to copy it so that you can paste it. As you can see, it says copy screenshot to clipboard. You can do that, or you can simply hit download and it will download this for you. And if I go to my downloads folder here guys, you'll be able to see that I now have this as a screenshot. Here it is guys, you can see that I have that as a screenshot. So very easy stuff there, right? Now in order to take a full screenshot, as I said before, you just want to right click, take screenshot, and you can simply choose save full page. And there you have it. The full page is now saved, right? You can click the X there. Do the same thing as well. Take screenshot. And as you see, save visible. So as I said, guys, they basically do the same thing. So if you choose save full page, you realize it does the same thing here. If I click X here and I do the screenshot again and do save visible, it basically shows you the same thing. So you can choose whichever you want there. And as I said, you can select the designated area if you so desire. So that's how you basically do it, guys. You can go to any website you so desire. And you can right click and you can take a screenshot of anywhere you want, guys. Full page or not, you can easily take a screenshot. And that's how you easily take a screenshot within your Firefox browser. Very easy and very simple, guys.